So right now we were heading out to go on a family walk. So all three of us were heading out to go on a family walk. I'm wearing my Mickey hat that I got from Five Below. So, and I'm not wearing that much makeup today because we're gonna go for a walk. But it turns out things didn't go as planned. So we're gonna go to this track nearby, but it looks like there's no cars there, so it looks kind of sus, you know, kind of shady, kind of weird. So we don't want to risk the car getting towed or something. So we decided not to go, or maybe like it's closed, or maybe somebody will tell us something. So we decided not to go there. We're just gonna head to the park instead. The park has like this little trail you can kind of walk in a circle, and I did bring a little stroller, an umbrella stroller for Leon, so I'm gonna try to keep him in there, but I don't know, I'm pretty sure he's gonna want to get off and go play on the playground, but we'll see if I can keep him on there for a little bit and walk around a little bit, get some exercise. This is not normally what I wear to the park, so I feel a little weird, but I think I really need to get a treadmill. I had one before, and I think it's just much, for me personally, I prefer working out at home. So if I could get a treadmill, that would be like ideal, much better for me. Then I could just work out a lot more and not have to like pack up everything to go somewhere to work out. Leon's getting kind of antsy, so say hi. Hi. I've also been eating less today, trying to watch what I eat since we were gonna start walking and stuff. I decided to also kind of go on a diet, I guess, or like eat less than I normally eat, because I was kind of going a little bit crazy with food lately. So so far so good. I haven't really been eating that much today, smaller portions for sure. And I think I'm not gonna eat until we head back home. So I think today pretty much the diet should be pretty good today. Hopefully I can stick with it, because I really want to lose weight in time for my birthday in September, and I'm running out of time, so I need to get serious about this if I really want to lose weight. So wish me luck. It's hard. It's a lot easier to just gain the weight and eat all you want. Hi. We were gonna get Leon a haircut, but lately he doesn't want anybody giving him a haircut. He cries and panics. He has a meltdown every time anybody tries to cut his hair. So we're gonna wait until it's almost his birthday in August. So I think we're gonna try to get him a haircut in July, like at a kid's salon. I know he's gonna cry. I know for sure he's gonna have a meltdown, but we're just gonna have to deal with it because his hair is getting out of control. Look at this. I really want him to get a haircut for his birthday, so we're gonna try in July. I guess another kind of little update. I'm planning to start uploading on a schedule, I guess, or sort of a schedule. Going to try my hardest to keep the schedule going, but I'm planning to start uploading twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'm going to try to have a new video every Tuesday and Thursdays. So yeah, I'm going to try that. Hopefully it works out. My goal is 2 videos a week. Hopefully I can stick to it. I don't know, we'll see. It's not as hard as like daily vlogs or daily videos, so 2 times a week shouldn't be that hard. What happened? Tuesdays and Thursdays, new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Probably, yeah, are you excited? Probably in the morning, like maybe 11, 12, whoa, 11 a.m. or latest 1 p.m. Originally, I wanted to do Wednesdays and Fridays, but I think I'm going to try Tuesdays and Thursdays first. And if I don't, like I can't keep up with that or it doesn't work out, then I might switch to Wednesdays and Fridays. We'll see. I'm just rambling on now because we're still not at the park, but we're almost there. So I'm gonna stop rambling.
He's like, all right.
Wanna go play?
Wanna go play?
Wanna go play? Yeah? Okay.
It's all ready.
Be careful. Yay. Leon, not all the way up there. Careful, careful. Hi. Mommy coming? Mommy gonna get you? Careful! Careful, careful! Alright, so we just left the park. I'm feeling a little sweaty, but overall not too bad. I didn't want to like overdo it the first time getting back into like actually working out or like walking and stuff, so I didn't want to overdo it too much. But yeah, Leon did good. Leon pretty much stayed in the stroller the whole time, which is surprising to me because normally he wants to be like running around wild and just getting into everything, but he was happy in the stroller. Daddy pushed him most of the time. I was carrying the backpack too, so that adds like a little bit of extra weight for me. So we're heading home now. I'm super thirsty. I forgot to bring a water bottle. I know, the rookie mistake. I was in a rush to get everything of Leon, like all his stuff, and Leon was already like in a hurry to leave, so I totally forgot to bring a water bottle. And they had like fountains there, like drinking fountains, but yeah, the water was warm and it just didn't taste good to me, so I'm really thirsty. Can't wait to get home and drink like some cold water. Leon seems pretty chill. He's ready to go home too, I think. He didn't like the sun being in his face, but every time I try to put a hat on him, he takes it off immediately. He doesn't like it.
He doesn't know that blocks the sun.
Yeah, but like even when I tell him leave it on, he doesn't want me to. So he doesn't want to leave it on and stuff, so he needs some like baby sunglasses, but I feel like he'll want to take those off too. And then the stroller we got, the umbrella stroller, another like rookie mistake. I got it without a shade, so we need to get him a new one with a shade maybe, if we keep going on these little walks. Today was pretty good overall. I think we all did pretty well. And Leon got some pet rocks on the way back to the car. He found some rocks and he's just been obsessed with rocks lately, and he just wants to like collect them all, so I let him grab a couple and he put them in his cup holder over there. Leon, is the sun in your face? Mommy block. There. Is that better? Is that better? Ow! The towels in there. You like rocks? You like rocks? Yeah, rock. You like it? Oh, you want the phone? Oh. Feisty boy. Feisty boy. tired? You tired?